Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing of these goggles. Alright, so I got them for snowboarding, and we're gonna see how they are. So I took them out, they just came in this plastic, and that's it. With some bubble wrap around it, but very little. And inside, this is what you get. So the case is actually pretty good. For case, A+. Looks good. Now let's look at what we actually bought. These goggles. So right away, I can feel that they're really thin, which is not normal for goggles that you want for snowboarding or skiing. So let's take them out of the pouch. The pouch is pretty good, by the way. And here we go. Goggles. Alright, so I can see there's no vents down here. This is pretty thin, so you can see it's like the thickness of my finger, which is around a centimeter. So this would be a centimeter and something. So that would be half an inch, for those of you who look at inches. As we're looking at here, the goggles themselves, again, there's no ventilation up here or below, very thin. There's nothing here that keeps the cold air from getting to you. So as you can see, it's just glass. It's big, these are big, so they're gonna fit me just fine. They are big. Ventilation points here, 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 here. As you can see, it's not double lens. A lot of goggles have double lens, so they have this ventilation that goes to the first lens. But in this case, it's just the one lens. Ventilation is just there. I don't know how these are gonna do when it comes to fogging up. I have other goggles that have ventilation here, on top, and here, and they still get fogged up sometimes. So again, I don't know how well these are gonna do. They do look like they're gonna scratch pretty easy, just for the look of it, but who knows? Hopefully not. Hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully they just fit just fine. Anyways, besides that, they do look fairly big. You can get them big or smaller depending on your size. So here we go. So you can adjust this. Again, this is just an unboxing. I'm gonna review them later once I get to test them out, see if they're foggy or not, if the cold air does come through too much maybe. Maybe needs a little bit more padding. I'm used to more padding usually, but we'll see. I've never had anything like this before. Other goggles, like I said, they've always been a lot thicker. So this is the first pair that I actually see something like this. Anyways, that's it for these goggles. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can write them down here below in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.